Okay, everybody, welcome. Welcome to November. Gotta find my days here. 21st, 2025, Friday. Last day of the trading week. Let's see if we can end another green day. Working with my audio settings. Somebody was kind and told me that, oh, would you look at that? That's an entry and I missed it. Somebody was kind and told me that I missed my audio isn't very good. It's a little too soft. That's a beautiful entry. Let's see if we can get a better risk to reward on this.
Order submitted. Order filled.
And let's see where we take it. So we've got some mini cycles within some macro cycles, it looks like. This one here. At least. Adjust our take profit. It's a little more than 1-to-1, which I like. And when we get to 25 points, we're going to lock in at least 20 of them. What I don't like is the real risk should actually be down here. And that's not quite 1-to-1. Let's see how we turn out. Alright, meanwhile, I'm going to keep trying to adjust my audio, but what I've done is I've surveyed 4,000 people and found that there are 22 psychological hurdles. I've actually never seen anyone get profitable unless they overcome all 22. Yeah, I don't want to go all the way down here. I'll get back in if it takes me out. I don't want to give all this back. Or do I? No. I'll let it take me out and then I'll get back in if there's another strong entry. But I found that there are 22 common psychological hurdles, and I've never seen anyone get profitable unless they overcome all 22. That's my background. I went to school for psychology, computer science, and linguistics, and it is extremely common that, oh, I guess I forgot to send the daily forecast to my students. It is extremely common that people have to go through these 22. I've never seen any successful trader be successful without overcoming all 22. Let's see here. I need to post this here from a group. If you're interested in the daily forecast, feel free to reach out. I'd be more than happy to give it to you. We can figure out a way to make it work for my coaching group. And it looks like we may get taken out, which is fine. I'll get back in at a stronger entry point, or a different entry point.
Stop filled.
This is the take. This is the stop loss right here, I believe. Trying to figure out what this YouTube thing means about publishing my content here, the daily forecast I'm trying to upload. Are we gonna break this level here? That would be interesting if we broke this level here. So that means we might be off to the downside, which would also be just fine. Let's get this ready just in case, because we might be off to the races. Let's see how this candle ends up. I might hear an echo here because I'm trying to listen to my stream to see if it's good or if it's still too quiet here. Let's see what happens when I pull this up. And maybe I could make it a little bit louder. I'll do just that. Go into my settings here. See if I increase the decibels, if it makes a difference, hopefully. Alright, now we're going to wait for a trade setup. This one had way too much wick on it for me, so I'm not getting in on that one. So Aaron's just going to wait here. Maybe wait for a pullback or something. It might go the whole way, but too much wick for me to get in. Although it certainly looks tasty.
Order filled.
Still got enough risk or reward to take on that one. So let's see. These are two big strong momentum candles right here. See if we're gonna make it past this level here. Somebody's asking me if I have an indicator that I like for determining the market direction that day. And I've been working on one, coding one for a year, but I don't like it just yet. I've been working on one for about a year, but it's not very reliable just yet. Well, that's a sign for a reversal, isn't it? Technically, here's the stop up here. These candles weren't as strong as I like them to be for this trade, but these two were. And there were still plenty of rewards, so I thought I'd take it, but let's see if we get stopped out first. Yeah.
Stop filled.
Just my volume settings here one more time, see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens with the volume now.
Order filled.
Like that reward better. Now I think we're doing better now. Alright, let's see where we go from here. Try the audio again. Might still be too soft, but I'll test it around, play around with it. That's nice.
Order filled.
I like the price action, but let's see how it goes.
Order filled.
I was thinking it'd at least go down to this level here. There we go. Lock in something.
Stop filled.
Looks like better plug in my computer here so I don't lose power. Oh, I like it.
Order filled.
Opening bell, here we come.
Order filled.
Sometimes they wick quite a bit on that opening bell. Let's see. Still got about a minute left, but let's see. Okay. Here's my original stop. Not the best risk to reward. Should have moved my stop, huh? Might have missed that one.
Stop filled.
I missed the stop on that one. Alright. We are negative 25 after the win we had here. That was so close to our take profit level, but yes, I missed it.
Order filled.
Nice one.
Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Didn't think we were going to get taken out like that. Okay. Got a nice trend up here. off to the races, maybe. Get one down.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Price action candles, aren't they?
Order filled.
All the way up.
Stop filled.
I'm getting taken out, but yes, I did.
Order filled.
Oh, I missed it again. Missed my exit.
Stop filled.
Alright. Missed my exit on that one. They're fast. They are fast. This audio goes here. If I can fix this again. Okay, maybe my audio now. Let's see how this goes now with this audio. Keep tweaking it and maybe it'll get better.
Order filled. Stop filled.
This is ending up like yesterday, huh? Yesterday we started out and we were losing a lot. And then in the afternoon we came back and won.
Order filled.
Well, that's a terrible entry, isn't it?
Stop filled.
Whew, my entries and exits are not very good today. Same pattern, but man, that was a terrible risk reward. Now let's wait for something here better.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Quite. Not quite. Looks like we're arranging, aren't we? Up, down, up, down. That's a nice range trade there.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Kind of like yesterday morning, how we started out in the negative, huh? Let's see how we roll. Okay, we're not going up anymore, are we? See what happens here if we keep following the strategy, and if it turns around, it goes in our way. A little too much wick on that one. Didn't close below this level. Don't like it just yet. That's one.
Order filled.
Okay.
Stop filled.
Wasn't looking for a breakout, but I was looking for a second leg on this one. Redraw this. Well, might need to wait until this range is over. I'm getting chopped up, aren't I?
Order filled. Stub filled.
Alrighty. I was actually thinking it'd go a whole lot farther, but nope. Getting caught up in this range, isn't it? Let's see here. Too much wick on this one to take a put. And too much wick on that one to take a long. Maybe we're getting something here. This might be my favorite trade if it lines up. Maybe so. See how this one closes. Nope, too much wick on that for me. Although I wanted it. Alright, just hang back and wait. As far as the momentum, I like to see momentum in the candles. You can see from this momentum that it can make a big difference in the direction that it may continue to go. Candle shape does matter. How it finishes does matter. Absolutely. Candle shape does matter. How it finishes does matter. Absolutely. We missed that one, didn't we? I didn't like how much wick was on some of these, but all the way down to this level here. Alright, let's test our audio now, see how it goes. Okay, now we're breaking out of this range. might get some more trades that I like, kind of like yesterday afternoon that brought us back to profitable. Let's test our audio now and see how it goes. Now we're breaking out of this range. Might get some more trades that I like, kind of like yesterday afternoon that brought us back to profitable. Okay, missed that one. That was a good one. Up to about that level. Okay, I think our audio is getting a little bit better here, which is nice. Yeah, I think our audio is getting a little bit better here, which is nice. And I will go ahead and mute this other thing here. Okay, now we're not in this range anymore. Let's see when we start to pull out here. If we can get back to profitable or not. Usually we do, but let's see.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Yeah, that's going up.
Order filled.
Oops. Stop should be down here, but dang, that's too far down. I'm meant to have 3 contracts, but I have 4.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Better. Stop should be here. Profit should be up here. Keep going.
Stop filled.
That's what I wanted.
Order filled.
Keep going.
Stop filled.
Okay. Don't think we're done.
Order filled.
Make it for me. Hold back a little bit. All the way.
Stop filled. Order filled.
All the way. Oh, thought we would. Action today, huh?
Stop filled.
There we go.
Order filled.
Teeter out on me. It might. My stop has not been adjusted very well to this current condition here.
Target filled.
We're still in the negative at 919 bucks, and my stop, as you can see, is not doing so well with this type of market price action here. So probably have to adjust the trading size here. Maybe not so many contracts, and then go bigger range so we can make it uniform across the landscape here. Okay, back to a range, are we? Back to that same range.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay. Let's see where this goes. Entries not been very good. The range is pretty big for the price action, or excuse me, my stop loss and active trader, trade management, that kind of thing hasn't been very good for this particular price action. And as for the momentum, the size of the candle matters a lot. As for the momentum, the shape of the candle matters a lot. And the previous, so when that starts to happen, it can make a big difference. You see these little candles. Now these are tick candles. So on a tick chart, for those that aren't familiar with it, on a tick chart, every candle represents 1,000 transactions. So if you get 1,000 transactions in this little green bar right here, that's a lot of transactions in a little bit of space. But if you get a lot of transactions in a bigger amount of space, like this big red candle here, that means price was moving a lot more. So that momentum does matter a lot. Now you combine that with other things, like we'll talk about tomorrow. You combine that with other things like the cycle that you're in. You combine that with other things like the overall market pattern or cycle. If you combine that with things like supply and demand, support, resistance, if you combine that with trends or ranges, now you're cooking with gas, man. Yeah, it's way more likely. This is one of my favorite trades right here.
Order filled. Stop filled.
You know what I never did today? Huh? I never checked the news. That's a mistake. Okay. At 8 o'clock we had the wholesale inventories news, which is right now. 10 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. my time, which is right now. But it was delayed. I should have checked it in the first place. Gotta see if we get my trades set up. Not yet. Okay. Not yet.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Well, that didn't take long, did it? Yeah. It's gonna go the whole way, but my stop moves. At 25 points, I lock in 20 points. This is some big price action for today. And because of the size, it definitely means that I have to change the trade management. So maybe we can get into some of that tomorrow. Maybe we can get into the trend or something tomorrow, depending on what people are looking for.
Order filled.
That's a good action. Or for my just reward there.
Stop filled.
Alright, starting to make it back. Let's see where that needs to go.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Don't know that we're done yet, but I'll let it retrace and then see if I can come back.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
Stop should be about here. Let's drop it down here. Alright, got me.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay. Well, this one could be interesting. If it goes... Alright, that's not going to keep going down. Alright. On this market condition, we got some different things going on. So that range chopped me out this morning. Let's see what we get out of this. Looks like from did a number on me this morning, so let's see if we can come back from that or not. We may not. Usually we don't have a red day, but we're gonna get one today because this afternoon I don't know that I can trade again.
Order filled.
Stop should be down to about here. And it's not as good of a risk reward that I thought we would get. Ooh,
Stop filled.
barely missed that one. Get this one drawn in here and see where it goes. So, here. Okay, I was off. A little bit left on that one. See if we get a good entry and go again. Alright, just hang tight. Alright, that one's done. Let's see if we get another one shaping up here. And this one will not pan out, so we won't even bother with that one. Okay. So far today, it looks like our price action has been a lot bigger candles, that sort of thing, for the strategy, so we may have to size down so that the strategy still continues with this particular size. The pattern is the same, but as you have seen, the price action is bigger. The size of the candles is bigger. Because of that, you have to size down so that it's uniformity with the trade management. We can get into that tomorrow, why the trade management matters. It matters a lot. Is that what we're in?
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Aha. Right here. Down to that level. Okay, I went the wrong way. Alright, now a nice reversal perhaps. Up to the 21, or if not, that's fine too. We might continue down. Like it so far. Wait for that momentum to show itself. A little too much wick for my liking on that one. The momentum matters, the wick matters. Though it may continue to go down to that level, but for my own probability and pattern, I like to wait. Although if it hits that point, if it crosses this point here, with a closed candle, let's see how much risk reward we have. That's still too much wick on this red one here. Now, I'm not going to say that always matters, but currently in the current landscape, oh yes it does. It totally matters currently. But you could have a lot of momentum regardless of a lot of factors, but currently the size, shape of the candle, if it has a lot of wick on it or not, it matters a lot. Alright. See if we're going to get what we want here. Still too much wick on that candle. There we go.
Order filled.
We're in one. See if we can make it all the way to our take profit here. Pretty good risk to reward, almost 1-to-1. Firing back. Alright. Okay. Well, good trade. Good trade. That was the right setup. We waited for it. We got a good momentum candle. And it's just a probability game from here because they don't all work. Ooh, we're getting caught up in this chop here. Thought with this momentum here we'd be down, we'd be gone. Not yet. Let the chips fall where they may, just play to the probability.
Stop filled.
Alrighty, that's that one. So it's kind of like yesterday morning. We're negative in the morning. Maybe we'll turn positive in the afternoon, but currently that's where we're at. Let's see if we get one here. Well, not a very good risk to reward anyway, even if we do.
Order filled.
Ooh, that was a bad entry. That was a bad entry.
Stop filled.
Right idea, right momentum, because you can see this big candle here. Closed on its low. I don't even know if it had a wick to it. Almost no wick at all, but it did have a little bit. And then it kept going.
Order filled.
Okay, well, our probability has not been working too sharp today, huh?
Stop filled.
So, let's see. That was yesterday morning, too. Morning, we lost 1,350, and in the evening, we made 5,700. That's the way it goes sometimes, dude.
Order filled.
Okay, well, maybe we'll call it today. Call it today and maybe come back this afternoon and see how it goes. We'll say this is our last one. I'm going to do some breath hold exercises after this one.
Stop filled.
I'll just take a break for now and maybe I'll be back this afternoon. Probably not recorded, but so. Alright, that's a loss for this morning. Maybe we'll come back in an afternoon session or something like that, but alright. And yeah, but I'll be back Monday regardless. So we're definitely profitable in the week, crushing it. Today, as far as live trading, might be our first red day in a while, because I don't know that I'll get back to trading this afternoon, because I've got a lot of stuff to take care of. But alright, so that's this morning, and yeah, looks like we got our audio a little bit better. It's not as soft as it was in the past, but alright. If you're looking for the momentum, if you're looking for the cycle, this is where it's at, man. This is where it's at. If you're looking for the right supply demand, if you're looking for the right entries, the right exits to know where to go,
Order filled.
definitely this is the way to go.
Stop filled.
Alright, so we'll call it for now. And let's see how it pans out the rest of the day, and then we'll be back on Monday. Have a great weekend. Put a link in the description if you want to know where the entries, exits are. If you want to know what the cycle looks like, this is the actual system. This is an actual system that works. And that's what people want. Alright, well, that's another good entry. But alright, take care, and we'll see everybody on Monday.